The absolute perfect ad copy. No ad copy unwasted. Ad copy that is just so quick, so easy, talks exactly to the customer. That is exactly what you want. Hey everyone, it's Sarah, and today we're talking about something that I constantly hear in the PPC community and in Google Ads, and that is that AI can build the absolutely perfect ad copy. And then it's taken a step further where people say, well, if you're not getting the right ad copy, there must be something wrong with your prompt. You're not prompting right. You need to have better prompts. So then you go on the hunt of finding the perfect prompt. This sounds amazing, right? You type in the perfect prompt, you get ad copy, and boom, you're off and running. Perfect. Flawless Google ad copy, ready to convert. But here's the truth. Perfect ad copy in Google Ads is a total myth. Here's the truth about ad copy. It's seductive. You type something in, you get a response, and immediately you as the user get a dopamine hit and you think, man, this sounds great. But when you look closer, all the time, the ad copy that sounds so perfect is often flawed because it's lacking a strategy underneath of it.